Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm back after a long time with another vlog. As I'm 2.5 years old now, so my dad gifted me a tablet. It was 9 p.m. and I was in my room watching shorts and having some apples. Then my dad came and surprised me with a tablet and I was so happy. I was super excited to see my gift as I didn't know that it was a tablet. Then Daddy unboxed it. Let's order a tablet case from Trendyol app. I swiped, but here all our book codes, but I want a Barbie or Hello Kitty case. So finally, after swiping down along, I got what I was searching for. First of all, I put this black kitty-themed case to my basket. Oh, then I got this Barbie case and it's so lovely and cute. This is the same thing I was searching for. So I'm gonna pay for it and then wait to get my parcel. So I have ordered these both and both are so cute. Finally, after 2 days, I got my parcel and I'm super excited to open it. My daddy opened it and as you also can see, these are so cute and their stuff is also good, but have movable handles so it's easy to carry, and they also becomes a stand so it'll be easy to watch hand-free. I'm gonna unbox it with you all. After opening the box, first there is tablet. Under it there is a grunty page and about tablet copy, and a portable wire and SIM port pin. Let's put on the Barbie case I ordered online. So this was my today's vlog about my Samsung Galaxy A9 tablet review. Hope you liked this vlog. See you all in next vlog. Till then, like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to stay updated about my upcoming vlogs. Allah Hafiz.